Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we make a rectangle, and when it is a square, both sides are 105. Take a circle in the center and delete all the dimensions. Okay, if it is movable, then we will do symmetry. Now rectangle square is constant. Circle diameter is 44, and here the radius is given 22. Why it is not okay? Now it is fully constant. Rectangle. This distance is 30. Now this distance is 25 from line to center is 25. Attach this line to the circle. This become 30. This line to this line 30. Now distance from center to this line, distance is 32. Now we are this profile is made. There is a slot of rectangular slot, 19 mm length and 6 mm width. We will cut this slot when our 3D model is completed. On that time we cut this slot. Now we are extruding this profile. It is 12 mm. Circle distance 108. Region we selecting the both slots. Both are in 12 mm. No, I wait a minute. Maybe first we select this. There is no issue. Okay, then we will extrude command use, and total distance is 108, and slot distance is 76. We use an offset 108 minus 76 because a gap is shown. Okay, now it is up to surface here. Okay, same we are doing with another slot. blind. Total distance is 108 and part distance is 57. There is a 51. The distance of offset is 51. There are holes, through hole, counter bore hole. There are many holes. Hole 82 diameter hole. Here are three options with thread call out. Thread, position, check this one. Oh, okay. Error is showing. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Again errors. Again. Counter ball 14.5. We are doing mirror. So in during designing, always work is smart, because if you are making, if you are taking whole, maybe a whole, so maybe whole which are taken and all four um, center points are selected, then they are countable. It's also a good way to reduce the timing radius. Late is 5. So I saw many people are what they are doing. They they first take a plane from the center and sketch a profile. Then they are after sketching the profile, they using revolve cut command. It is a time wasting. Of course, it is time wasting process. On that way, part is also make. Our your 3D model is also make, but it takes too much time. Distance is slow. Distance is 6 mm. Total height is 19 mm. The distance 11 mm. It is a center of 30 dimension. You know. This line 5.5. Oh, sorry. Extrude cut. Up to surface knee blind. How much distance? It is 48. It's 48, na? It is the distance is 48. It is bar into 1.75. Okay. Angle is 120 degree. Dia is 12. Why it is showing so much error, yaar? Hmm. Hmm. 7.815. Because it is shaded ना कि blind जो आपकी thread है वो 2 into dia होगी. The thread is 2 into dia. I think because of this Select normal to the plane. Sketch. Select this one, and this distance is 11. Whole distance is 11, and center of the hole to the line, that distance is 15. Oh, it is okay. We need one more hole here, and we are both hole distance is 25. So center to center. We first take this. No, it's so an error. Take this. It is better to take a give a dimension. Now it is both holes in same horizontal line. Cosmetic thread. I give the cosmetic thread because when you on the drafting time, cosmetic thread are easily visible. How much distance up to next? Okay. Now there isn't cosmetic thread are not visible. Okay, go to setting option, search here cosmetic thread, shaded please checkbox, select the checkbox. Now you can easily show the cosmetic threads. Always take this one. 44. Now give a dimension. It is center of this hole. 15 mm. Cosmetic thread. Select both of them. Now our part is completed. One thing, this part used in medical industry in cylinders. Thank you guys.